Hey y'all, so today it's all about a 15-minute meal. We're going to be making barbecue chicken bakers. That's right. So I've got 2 Russet potatoes that I just greased and oiled up. And I'm going to, I did wash them, by the way. And I'm going to pop them in the microwave for 6 to 7 minutes. And then I'm going to take my leftover rotisserie chicken that I have from the store, just pull it off the bone and shred it up. And I'm going to take the potatoes that are done, open them up. And then I'm going to top it with some shredded cheese because I got to have cheese on my potato. And we can't have a potato without a little sour cream. So I'm going to put some sour cream on there just like that. Top it with our shredded chicken that's left over that we did not cook. Hallelujah. All right. And then I'm going to top it with some chopped bacon that I had left over. You can use bacon bits if you want to, but I love this sauce. It is so good, y'all. That Cattlemen's Gold, so good. Just drizzle that right on top of that potato. Just like that. So good, y'all. And then I'm going to top it with more shredded cheese because we need it to be ooey gooey and delicious, okay? And pop it under my broiler for 4 to 5 minutes. We ain't even turning on our stove. Sure ain't. And then I got some green onion that I chopped up, and I'm just going to put that on top, but I'm going to put my barbecue sauce on top first, just like that, and then some sour cream and the green onion, and that is all. Our potato is done. We did this so fast, y'all, and it is so good and so satisfying. Ooh, look at that. Cheesy, delicious, and amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.